Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing. Anyway, we're not gonna be talking about the cooking. We're gonna talk about this fake chicken. You know what I mean? I just received a call about 30 minutes ago. You know what I mean? Before I did my video and all these things, someone was saying to me, Chef Ricardo, did I see that chicken? Because the person was saying to me, yes, the chicken they serve it for real. It was fake and bits and pieces. You know what I mean? You know, news always a spread. One person said something, one. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what's going on. But anyway, guys, you know what I mean, watch the video and see exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? I received the video and I was watching the video, and you know what I mean, that someone really did this. You know what I mean? The avatar was said that the person was taking air, but not to go there. But anyway, watch the video, because I'm gonna be putting the video at the end of this talk right here, and you can watch the video. Leave your comments in the description box, because for me, 100%, I can't understand why people do these things. You know what I mean? I can't understand. But anyway, I just want to simply make it clear to my fans, my friends, and my family. Please don't make anyone ruin your Christmas and spoil up your Christmas and give you anything which is fake. You know what I mean? Make sure this Christmas you get good stuff and get nice things. You know what I mean? Anything you're gonna cook and prepare for this Christmas, make sure it's 100% really hygienic, up to date, and tasted and look good. Alright? Just look where you're gonna get your stuff, look where you're buying the things, look where you're doing the shopping. Yeah? This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and this is the update. You know what I mean? It's just people keep questioning me about this fake chicken. I received the video, I put it on my food news channel, I put it in different places, and I'm just gonna simply ask my fans a few questions of what you think about this. You know what I mean? If this don't make anyone ruin your Christmas or spoil up your Christmas this year. We want to have a lovely Christmas and a wonderful time to spend time with the family this year. This is a time where everyone come together and spend with their family. So anyway, guys, leave your comments in the description box, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, get the latest update, and also Chef Ricardo Food News and the Juice Bar channel. We always have tips and ideas for you, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. One love from me and the team, and I will see you next time.